We custom design each plate, including the ideal flow parts. These parts can be machined into the base plate or can be part of an extruded base plate. The copper tubes are then press fit into the parts. Machining the cold plate with the tube installed provide for a very flat surface. Copper flat tube can be manufactured in any length, in addition to be pressed fit into a base plate. They can also be designed and assembled in a ladder. Flat copper tube cold plates have very low thermal resistance and offer thermal uniformity. They are compatible with water and many other